Imagine this. You're in a meeting, staring at a spreadsheet packed with numbers. Rows and rows of data, but no clear takeaway. Now, imagine someone transforms that same data into a story. A story that grabs your attention, paints a picture, and shows you exactly what decisions to make. That is the power of data storytelling. 1. What is data storytelling? Let's start with the basics. It's the art of combining data, visuals, and narrative to communicate insights in a way that's clear, impactful, and actionable. Think of it as the bridge between complex data and human understanding. Data storytelling takes numbers and gives them a voice. It answers the big questions. Why does this matter? What should we do next? Without a story, data is just noise. 2. Why do businesses need data storytelling? Here's the thing. Businesses are drowning in data. From customer behavior to market trends, there's more information than ever before. But information alone doesn't drive decisions, understanding does. That's where storytelling comes in. A great story simplifies complexity, creates alignment, and inspires action. For example, instead of saying, sales dropped by 20% last quarter, you could say, our sales dipped because customers shifted to competitors offering faster shipping. Suddenly, the data is actionable. 3. How do businesses use data storytelling? A. Improving decision-making. Data storytelling helps leaders make informed decisions faster. Imagine a supply chain manager using data to explain delays with visuals and clear context. Instead of a pile of numbers, they show, here's the bottleneck, here's the cost impact, and here's the solution. B. Aligning teams. Storytelling breaks down silos. Teams often struggle to interpret raw data the same way, but a story creates a shared understanding. For example, a marketing team could use customer data to craft a story about buying behavior, helping sales align their strategies. C. Connecting with customers. Companies also use storytelling externally to engage customers. Think about annual reports or campaign pitches. A good story can turn a dull earnings report into a journey of growth and innovation. 4. Key elements of effective data storytelling. So, what makes a data story effective? Let's break it down. A. Data. First, you need credible, relevant data. Your story is only as strong as the foundation it's built on. Next, visuals. Humans process visuals 60,000 times faster than text. Charts, infographics, and dashboards bring your story to life. Finally, the narrative. Your story should have a beginning, the problem, a middle, the analysis, and an end, the solution or insight. 5. Real-life examples of data storytelling. A. Netflix. Take Netflix, for example. They use data storytelling to recommend shows. Instead of overwhelming users with raw data, they present, because you watched, categories, turning algorithms into personalized stories. B. Amazon. Amazon uses storytelling in logistics. Their data-driven stories optimize delivery routes, improve inventory, and even drive customer loyalty programs. C. Small businesses. Even small businesses use data storytelling. Think of a local cafe analyzing peak hours and creating promotions that resonate with their audience. So, how can you leverage data storytelling? Start by identifying the problem your data solves. Then, craft a story that's visual, concise, and action-oriented. Remember, your audience doesn't want numbers, they want answers. As businesses grow more data-driven, storytelling will only become more critical. AI and automation are making it easier to visualize and narrate data, but the human touch? That's irreplaceable. At the end of the day, data storytelling isn't just a skill, it's a superpower.